Okay, first, these are your whole wings. You just want to split them. So you just want to look for the joints, and it's going to be real easy. So it's right in the middle. It's a joint. Once you find it, just going to go through every single time. Same thing with the tips. And it just makes it easier to cook. And I really don't like the lower end piece. A lot of people save it to make soups. If you're doing a lot of it, definitely use it. And a lot of times when you buy your wings, you're going to see a little part of the breast left on the wings.
And you see they have a little bit of hair. I'm going to clean it off because I do not like dirty wings. Okay.
Okay, so there we go. We're going to get our tips.
Place them on the other side.
And there you go. So that's kind of, let's look at how they look. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to season them.
And we're going to clean them.
Alright, we're going to wash the wings. We're going to put them on the bowl.
Alright.
Now we're going
to add the jerk season. It's from Walker's Wood. Traditional Jamaican jerk. Mild. Because I can't do spicy. So I have a little spoon of it. I'm going to do a dab. About, since this is good size wings, about 3 teaspoons. Because this is really small. And then we're going to mix it in. I'm going to put a little bit of salt.
Himalayan.
A little bit of my favorite salt. Himalayan. Sprinkling over it. Or you can put a whole bunch. Ooh.
No, just a little bit. It's very strong, so don't use a lot.
So now we're going to toss the wings. And we're not going to toss it in our hands.
We're going to
spoon.
Let's use my hand.
Are you serious? You're dangerous today.
Yeah.
Okay. Toss it up, toss it, because we need to get it a generous coating around all of it.
You can really smell the pimentos in the jerk.
I have a little dry jerk that I got from Jamaica, which I love. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of it on there. Well, I have it mixed with my little blend, just to give a coat. Alright.
So you can just use complete seasoning. Or you can just use like dry Jamaican. It's not really jerk. It's like a mild. It's like a Jamaica all-purpose seasoning. That's what they would call it. Alright.
And there you have it. I'm going to put it in for probably 450. Give it 30 minutes. 15 on each side. Because when I did it, it was just like still a little light to me. And I like a little crisp to it. But we're not frying it or grilling it. So we're going to bake it.
Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of honey. How much honey are we adding?
Well, first off, I have the apple brown sugar barbecue sauce. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons in there. Well, let's try today. 3.
And how much honey?
I'm going to drizzle the honey across over the wings. This is honey from Florida. Boop, boop, boop. Get it from your local farmer's market or Walmart. That's enough. Alright. And then we're going to toss the wings first. Wait, before you do it, get the spoon and get the little off on the barbecue off. And then we're going to toss it.
If we're doing like this, why are we going to toss it?
Well, I just like it tossed.
It's the same thing. To me. Okay. Toss it. Alright, because to me this is tossing.
Okay.
Because I toss it and then you end up a wing fly away.
Alright. We're going to toss it. Now put it in the bowl to get a little more coating.
And there you go. You ready to do the taste test?
I need to put it in the bowl. Come on. What I would think I would do is probably put it back in the oven so you could have that little.
I don't usually care for that much spicy food.
It's not spicy at all.
Not spicy at all. Surprisingly, the apple surprisingly hide the jerks. So as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a wonderful day.